if you want to find love, but she got the love instead. Having a coffee quack, she got the love. We used to sing that song some times back, but I'm glad you found someone. Yes. Okay, let's go.
He was sitting on a bicycle down from a teen song. She's been standing by the jukebox from big quarters all night long. And he said, tell me, are you lonely? Is there some place we can go? And she says, cowboy, you know I'm lonely, but there's something you should know. If you want to find good, go looking in the mountains. If you want to find silver, go digging in stone. If you want to find heaven, go reading the Bible. If you want to find love, sweet love, go looking in gold. Touch the glory on his finger, and it too, the jukebox cries. And she says, stranger, think what you're losing if you leave me tonight. And so we hold her body closer, and Esther, she felt feelings she never known. And she said, thank you, and for the lesson, and if you need